Tired of juggling multiple AI tools and paying for endless subscriptions just to get your work done? Meet Rosita AI, your all-in-one AI platform with 15 powerful tools in one place. From generating images, video, and code, to summarizing YouTube videos, creating ads, writing blogs, and even transcribing audio, Rosita does it all in seconds. Need to work with others? Rosita makes it easy to build and manage your team. Choose a plan with the number of team seats that fits your business perfectly. Train Rosita to understand your unique brand voice and keep every piece of content on brand, every time. Plus, earn extra income with our affiliate program. Simply invite friends and earn commissions. And whenever you need help, create and track support requests directly from your dashboard. Best of all, Rosita is built on the secure AWS platform, so your data is always safe and protected. Save time, cut costs, and supercharge your creativity. All with Rosita AI. Start your free trial today and see the future of AI in action.